Worldwide, around 500 million people are classed as obese, with serious implications for public health costs and the economy. At the other end of the scale, 870 million people in the world suffer from hunger, and that problem too is likely to get worse as the population grows. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization works to tackle the root causes of hunger. It's published a report which claims that the answer to both of these problems lies in insects.
20 years ago, nobody would have eaten sushi because it's raw fish, and now everybody likes it. So tastes can change, and we've already seen insects showing up in restaurants in some of the capitals in Europe, and they're offered there as something like a specialty. So in the longer term, I think insects could also be eaten in Western countries. And why this would be good? Well, I mean, we know that the population is growing and there's going to be an increased demand for food and protein in general. And insects offer one option of providing this protein. And in Western cultures, where we have a huge problem of obesity and overweight, insects are a very nutritious element that could provide a healthy diet.